So you've done all the suggestions that I've made in all the previous videos around understanding where you spend your money and where you spend your time. So now what? My name is Agnesia. I'm from Talk My Wealth. And let's look at what can you do with all that information. For me, the first time that I actually wrote down everything I spend my money on and realizing how much money I waste on things that's not necessarily important, I realized that I didn't know what I was doing. So I'm hoping that that exercise brought you a lot of insights as well. Because once you know where you are, you can then determine where do you want to be. And when you know where you want to be, you can work backwards to say, how can I improve my activities over that period of time to make things different? So first of all, you must know how much money you want to make in this year. And I want you to be specific, a very specific amount, £100 and 50 cents or pence, or just whatever it is, 100 million or 10 million or 100,000 or a house or a car or whatever it is for you. Be specific on the amount of money that you need for that item. So you might know what is the items that you want, but I want you to know how much money you need for that item. And at this stage, I don't want you to think whether it's practical or possible or any of those things. I want you to just get a very clear understanding of what it is you want. There's also space in the North Star Planner, that's the planner behind me, to create a vision board for yourself. There's also space for you to determine how you're going to break down that goal in the next year. There's also different areas of your life where I want you to plan. So we don't want to just plan on your money. We want to plan on all your relationships, how you're going to be in the community, how you're going to be in your career, how you're going to be in your family, how you're going to be around your finances. All of those areas are important. And it's important that you look at how can you structure your life, that you have enough time and activities in all of those areas that is going to take you towards your goal. Then bring your family into it. Don't try and work on your own. At least have a conversation with them. Start talking to them about it. It might take a little bit longer because they might not buy in the first time you have these discussions. And sometimes they think you're a bit strange because now all of a sudden you are doing things differently. And that's also, it's normal because you are behaving in a certain way. They're used to you to being like that. If you're going to change, that means they have to get used to a new you, and they don't always want to do that. But it's important that you understand what you want to achieve and where you want to go. So once you've got all the information, you can then start working on writing down all the tasks that you need to do to create your future financial freedom. Hit the subscribe button, and I hope to see you on the next video.